are tying Aso-oke material, this is what we call Aso-oke gangan, like Aso-oke fabric. This is just embellished with stone. We are tying Aso-oke material, and this is going to be very simple for a beginner to try out. So if you are looking for Aso-oke Headwrap for a beginner, I think this video is for you. You need to watch it till the end and see how amazing the result is. So let's dive straight into it. But before I go into the details, let me tell you, if you are just coming across my face for the first time, all we do here is to style like a queen that we have. That crown in our head is our head wrap, so we're going to style it in different ways. That's what we do. Also, by subscribing to my channel, you guys need to subscribe now, like right now. Give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's dive into it right away. This is the length of my material. This is how long it is. It's a 3 layers joint Aso-oke material, and it's long like this. So I'm going to fold in. Can you see what I folded in? It's going to be much a bit. You guys will be very short than the other parts. I'll be placing on my head like this. So this is 20 and this is the 80, which is the longest, right? So I've just placed on my head and I'm putting it on my forehead. And look at me. I'm grabbing it. See the way I grabbed it? So if you have your hair, you have it packed. Let's assume this is here. You have it packed out here, and like this. Okay. So this is it. I'm going to take the shorter part round the longer part very firmly. Okay, and I'll secure on that, or use your pin to secure it. So I just dip mine in, and this is what I have. So let's see the front. Okay, and form like a cap. Just press the side down. Okay, press the side down. Even to the back side, I'm going to press it down like this. Can you see that? You just press it down, and parts I'll just twist. I'm going to twist it. It's very, very simple. This is very, very simple to do. I'm going to twist like this. Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? I love this. So I just twisted it like this, and you can just bring it like this. Okay, just secure with pin because it can't reach the back. This is my pin, so it's going to be secure. Take it in. So secure. I'll give it another one to bubble sure that I have it well secured, right? So this is another one. I'll go again. Very sure it is well secured now. Very, very sure. Leave this like this. In case you want to rock it and you don't have your bulky hair at the back like this, you can just get extension like this and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab it and dip it like this on that. I'm going to dip it like this on that. It covers it, right? And this is what I have like this. If I don't tell you, you know go know. I need to tell you guys, you know go know. So this is what we have for final look for the head wrap. And tell me, this can be rocked to church, to any occasion. I don't know, just name it. And you can do it with any other material as well. So this is what we have. This is what we have. And I love it, I love it, I love it. See you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, I'm looking at you. If you haven't subscribed, you see that subscribe button? That subscribe, exactly. It's on it now. It's for free. Guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.